So for the entrepreneur, I think there are a lot of new software that you can use and tools that you can use to kind of like build your brand identity. There's Canva, there's Figma, there's like an entire variety of like tools that you can use. I think it's important for an entrepreneur to also just try walk the journey of figuring out what it is that they're doing and who they are, what their business is about. I think a lot of the times we rush to try and hire people to help us out with the things that we want to do. Like I want my brand to look like this and do that, but you end up like spending a lot of money trying to get a brand strategist to help you out and figure out your brand. I think it's important for you to kind of walk that journey and be hands-on, in trying to create that kind of space that you want and being clear with yourself. I think our generation tends to be very excitable about creating a business and being an entrepreneur, but there's so much more that goes into it than just like, registering a business online and getting your CIPC documents. You need a vision. You need to understand exactly what it is that you're doing. What are you catering to people, and what need are you fulfilling, and how are you going to do that? A lot of entrepreneurs just want the tag entrepreneur, but don't actually understand what it comes with. So it's getting that understanding and being hands-on and understanding that it's not necessarily an easy journey. It is going to be very challenging. So it's important that you're building something that you're willing to stick it out with, and you're willing to get your hands dirty, and get to explore and experiment and change things and switch it up. So I think a lot of the resources that you could use are more online, especially when it comes to like building a brand. So using Canva to create your logo and your brand Bible, using Figma for newsletters, using social media like Later to like schedule your content and be more consistent about the information that you're sharing.